Hello friends. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create warp text by using make with mesh command. Create new document. Rename the project and change units to pixels. Then type document size and click create button. First you go to view menu and click fit artboard in window. Go to rectangle tool and create new rectangle for background. Now rectangle align to artboard vertically and horizontally. Change the rectangle color. Now lock the background layer. Go to type tool and type some text like this. Then go to object menu and click make with mesh command. Now active the preview option and change the rows and columns. Then click OK. Go to direct selection tool and move anchor point like this. Then go to free transform tool and transform like this. Okay friends. Thanks for watching Multimedia Guider YouTube channel and don't forget subscribe my channel.